Not quite my tempo. It's all good. No worries. Here we go. 6, 7.
Hello everyone, today we've got a photo shoot of one of my particular favourite bikes. It's a Zontes ZT310R. The bike comes in 4 colours, but depending on where you live in the world, it depends on what the distributor ships into your country. The 310 range is going to be upgraded towards the middle of summer 2022 to 350cc bikes. Exactly the same, but obviously different features, 3cm telescopic forks, etc. So it'll be all upgraded towards the GK350. So you might get yourself a really good bargain of a Zontes 310R, X or T model, or V or VX, coming up to the summertime, because they'll be clearing out old stock to get the new stock 350s in. So it might be a brilliant time to buy as dealers clear out their stock of the 310 models. So what's your favourite colour? Please leave in the description, or in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest news. Take a look at my playlist. There's over 1,000 bike related videos there for you to scan through and watch and have some fun. This is Mad Mick signing out, and I will see you next time.